The Digital Operational Resilience Act, DORA, is a European Union regulation that went into effect in January 2023. It aims to improve the cybersecurity resilience of the financial services sector by requiring financial institutions and their suppliers to manage risk. DORA's goal is to ensure that financial entities can withstand, respond to, and recover from cyber attacks and other ICT-related disruptions. The Digital Operational Resilience Act, DORA, has been enforced since January 2023. What are the DORA requirements? DORA benchmarks include: independent parties must carry out annual resiliency and vulnerability testing. Regular threat-led penetration testing is also a requirement. DORA requires protection measures that are risk-based and comprehensive. What is the DORA security policy? The Digital Operational Resilience Act, DORA, has been enforced since January 2023. DORA is a European regulation that aims to ensure that financial organizations improve the controls of their IT risks and thus become more resilient against cyber threats. Who is affected by DORA? It covers banks, payment institutions, investment firms, crypto assets, service providers, and more. Additionally, critical third-party ICT providers, information and communication technology, are also regulated under the regulation. Each critical ICT service provider will be designated a lead overseer, either EBA European Banking Authority, ESMA European Banking Authority, or EIOPA European Insurance and Occupational Pensions Authority. Who will enforce DORA? Those that meet the standards will have one of the ESA's, Employment Standards Administration, assigned as a lead overseer. In addition to enforcing DORA requirements on critical providers, lead overseers will be empowered to forbid providers from entering into contracts with financial firms or other ICT providers that don't comply with the DORA. What are the 5 pillars of DORA regulation? The 5 DORA pillars of compliance: ICT risk management, ICT-related incident reporting, digital operational resilience testing, management of ICT third-party risk, information and intelligence sharing. What are the penalties for DORA regulation? Third-party ICT service providers designated as critical by the European Supervisory Authorities, ESAs, may face fines of up to EUR 5,000, or in the case of an individual, a maximum fine of EUR 500,000 for non-compliance with the Act's requirements. The ESAs will have the authority to impose these fines. What are the benefits of DORA? DevOps Research and Assessment, DORA, provides a standard set of DevOps metrics used for evaluating process performance and maturity. These metrics provide information about how quickly DevOps can respond to changes, the average time to deploy code, the frequency of iterations, and insight into failures. What are the benefits of DORA regulation? The implementation of the DORA regulation brings with it several benefits for financial institutions, such as improve the ability to prevent, detect, and respond to IT and cybersecurity incidents, reducing the potential impact on business continuity, reputation, and legal liability. Who is subject to DORA? DORA sets uniform requirements for the security of network and information systems of companies and organizations operating in the financial sector, as well as critical third parties which provide ICT, information communication technologies, related services to them, such as cloud platforms or data analytics services. How to prepare for DORA? DORA has 5 key pillars. Risk management. DORA emphasizes the importance of robust risk management practices across the digital landscape. Third-party risk management, ICT incident reporting and management, digital operational resilience testing, information sharing, DORA, compliance, what you need to know. The Digital Operational Resilience Act, DORA, is a piece of legislation in the EU. DORA establishes a framework for 5 pillars of compliance: ICT risk management, ICT-related incident reporting, digital operational resilience testing, management of ICT third-party risk, and information and intelligence sharing. Some of DORA's requirements include independent parties conducting annual vulnerability and resiliency testing, regular penetration testing based on threats, risk-based protection measures, network and infrastructure management, policies for vulnerabilities such as patches and updates, rapid reporting of cybersecurity incidents, visibility into third-party dependencies, ability to respond to audit requests from customers or regulators. DORA violations can result in significant financial penalties, including fines of up to 2% of a company's total annual worldwide turnover, or 1% of its average daily turnover. Mr. Ash Mufareh said this about the DORA Act on July 12, 2023. Compliance, DORA Act. very difficult to comply, and ONPASSIVE is making sure it is compliant in 200 plus countries. Legality for documentation, data center, security, logistics. Massive work to get this accomplished. ONPASSIVE has 2 compliance departments in Dubai and Hyderabad.